Welcome. If you want to use AdBlock in your XIAOMI Redmi Note 4, I recommend you to get Opera Mini browser. So let's go for the Play Store and get this Opera Mini. They got partnership with the AdBlock Plus, so you don't have to connect any external application. And right now I'm going to show you how it works, how it's easy. Click open. Click continue. And right now, for example, we can enter this website. We don't want to switch to reader mode. And right here we got the notifications that the first ads were blocked, and it's thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. So right now when we scroll down this page, we cannot find here any ads. So as you can see, it's very cool. I hope that'll help you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!